Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking a tool you can finish with quickly, Audacity or a real-time filter like Crispworks. Once chosen, record a clean 3-5-second noise profile with no voice. This trains the reducer. Make sure your source file is lossless, 48 kHz preferred, and that peaks stay below -6 dB so reduction behaves predictably. Now open the noise reduction effect and load the noise profile. This lets the algorithm learn the unwanted background before you process the whole clip. You should always apply the reduction to a short test segment first. That prevents overprocessing the entire file. Once done, adjust threshold or sensitivity until background noise falls but the voice stays natural. Reduce dB conservatively, 1 to 8 dB at a time, and increase smoothing or attack to avoid choppy artifacts. If you still hear tonal hums, switch to spectral view and apply a narrow notch filter to those frequencies. Make sure to compare a /B before committing the change. You finalize by listening on multiple devices and exporting at the original sample rate for consistency. If you notice artifacts, breathy warble or underwater sound, dial back the reduction amount and add a gentle high pass or subtractive EQ to clean low rumble. If noise still persists, denoise in stages. Apply a mild reduction first, then repeat on problem segments manually. Troubleshooting tip: if a fixed hum remains, identify its frequency and use a narrow notch filter rather than cranking overall reduction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.